Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. There are two main methods that allow you to scan QR codes. The first one is by using the camera. You can simply open the camera and then in the photo mode, if you aim towards the QR code, you should have this QR code icon on the right side over here. You can press on it. In order to see the result, you will see the URL link and then you can open it in the browser or copy the link. Another method to scan QR codes is by using the QR code scanner, which can be accessed by going to the control center. You can open the control center by swiping from the top on the right side of your device, and then you need to find this icon over here. You can press it in order to open the scanner. Of course, if you open it for the first time, you need to grant permissions so we can use while using the app. And then we need to place the code within the frame. And after that, we should be able to scan the QR code. Now, in my case, unfortunately, it seems to be not working. But the camera scanner works completely fine. So if that doesn't help for you, if that doesn't work for you, then of course you can try to use the camera instead. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!